Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how I optimize the video for YouTube to get a ranking. So we will upload one actual video and we do the optimization for the video. So in order to start, the first step is just to log into your VidTechy account. Then go to the left-hand side, Video SEO. So just click Add Project here. You give your project name. For this video, I'm going to do YouTube optimization. Okay, just click Save. So once I save the project name, the first step is to do the keyword research. So I'm going to do the keyword research for like YouTube channel optimization, which is because my video is about how to optimize your channel. So I'm going to do keyword research related to my video topics. So in your case, you need to give your seed keyword about your video. So we're going to upload the video, right? So basically this is the video I'm going to upload. So this video is about your YouTube channel optimization. So this is my seed keyword. So I'll give the seed keyword and click search. Usually I do a search like this. So after I search, I will scroll down and see the keyword. So if you see only this YouTube icon here, meaning this YouTube search tab is only on the YouTube search bar. If it is like both Google and YouTube, then this particular keyword is searched on both Google and YouTube searches. I highly recommend choosing this keyword because you will get traffic from both YouTube and Google. So for me, I'll go with this keyword. So the second step, I want to analyze the keyword, meaning how competitive the keyword is, how about the rough search volume. It will show how the search volume and then how competitive it is. So for my channel, how is the opportunity medium chance to get ranked for this particular keyword? So I can see all the statistics here. So basically the maximum duration is this one. The average duration is 40 minutes. So my video is around 10 minutes. Okay, so I will use this keyword. Then you can validate in the Google YouTube trend. So basically it's having the interest from a few countries. So yeah, okay, basically this keyword is good to go. So click the keyword and choose step 2. Here is where we need to give the title, descriptions, everything. So how about we go with this title, or we can do some modifications for this title. Once you give, then you can see the ideas, see here, which shows a YouTube channel optimization for beginners, TubeBuddy tutorials. So something like that. We have a title idea. So for me in the video, I'm talking about the checklist for the channel SEO. So I'll use a checklist. Then I'm talking about SEO. Okay. What we can do an SEO setting guide. So I will use the SEO setting guide. So basically this is my title. If you need a title idea, go here, then just generate and click enter. So our AI chart will give you some title ideas. So see here, the ultimate guide to YouTube channel optimization dominates the algorithm, cracking the code and mastering YouTube channel optimization. So basically this is some of the ideal meat titles I can consider for our video, but I'll go with this title. So for me, I need the description. So same thing, just click here to generate a description for this. Just click and enter. Okay, so now our AI chat has generated the description for us. I also created some descriptions through the AI. I'm going to use this description. Okay, so I'm going to use the description because if you want to change anything, you can give the prompt and enter. It will change the description for you. So from here, you can generate the title, description, tags through the AI chats. Okay, so yeah, the description I already added. So I need to get some hashtag ideas. So click hashtag. Then here you can add the YouTube channel optimization. Yes, it is related to this video. So don't use many hashtags, just 3 or 4 is enough. Then we need to add the social media link. That one I will add it. While we uploaded the video to YouTube, we added this. Then the disclaimer, so I don't use any affiliate links, so I'm not going to use any affiliate description here. So then we need to get the tags. My first thing is that the first tag will be your title related to your title. The title should be YouTube channel optimization checklist. Just click this. Then YouTube channel optimization. This one is related to the video, so you need to choose the tags which are related to your video. Then YouTube SEO, yes, this is related to our video. So check, yes, use this. Okay, this one is related to our video YouTube channel settings, but it's not available. YouTube settings, how to optimize your YouTube channel for SEO. Okay, this one is good. We can use this one. So likewise, you can able to choose the tag. So for me, I'm choosing this one. Then the tags are manually, what I want to add here is the YouTube channel setting. So this one I want to add manually, so we can add this. How would pinned comment for the video? So I'll click, okay, I choose this video on my previous video. So I'm going to add this video as my pinned comment. Then the thumbnail, I already created the thumbnail for the video. So I'll choose this and I will choose the thumbnail to see how our thumbnail is matching with our competitor videos. So I'll just upload the thumbnail video here. Okay. So the thumbnail is loaded here. So see, this is our thumbnail. So we can compare it with the other thumbnails. Our thumbnail is good. So if you want to preview, you click, it will show the preview on our homepage. So see here we added the title and the thumbnail. So likewise can able to see it on YouTube. It's good. So how did I create this? We have a thumbnail checklist and video here. So refer to that video and with that input, we will create this thumbnail. Okay. These are the manual checklists. So my video is HD and I have a caption. Then the video has an end screen. The video has a cards. Yeah, so video is a public case. It's targeted at the English language. Rename your files, targeted keyword. This is the video I'm going to upload. This one, the ID named with a targeted keyword. Yes, I'll mention the targeted keyword in the video. So what other things do we need to fix? A timestamp is missing. This one is related to the description. Please use up to 5 hashtags in the description. So basically, this is the idea that VidTechy will give you. Let's say if it is good enough, then leave that and you will now be ready to upload the video to YouTube. So just go to your YouTube channel, just click create, then click upload video. So now you need to choose the video file. I need to choose the video file. This is the video I'm going to upload. So basically this is the title. Just copy it here, then paste it here. Then the description, just copy and go to the description and paste it inside the description. Then go through. Okay, so here just make it YouTube channel setting. Then I plan to add my branding. VidTechy. Okay. So likewise, yeah, so everything is good. So here we need to upload our thumbnail. Just click the thumbnail here, then choose our thumbnail. Then the playlist, basically, is under the YouTube channel setting, so just use this. So in your case, if you have a playlist, you can choose your playlist or you can leave it, no problem. Then here, yes, it's not made for kids. Just click show more. Scroll down. No, my video doesn't have any paid promotion. Then no, I don't alter the content. Just click no, I'll leave it as is. Just scroll down here to the tags we need to add. So go here, just copy the tags and paste them here. Then I add my tag in branding, VidTechy. I will add my branding tag, then English. Okay. So everything is good to go. It's under education. Yes, correct. Okay. So here you can able to change the country. If you want, you can able to change the country, but it won't impact anything on the SEO. So everything is good. Just click next. If you have monetization enabled, then go here and switch on. Just click done, then click next. For this ad suitability, scroll down. You need to acknowledge there is none of that above. And you need to click and submit a rating. Okay. So once you submit a rating, then just click next. Then here is the video element you need to add to the end screen. So click add. So here there is a default from default template shown by YouTube, or you can click import from video. If you have a previous video, you can choose. It will come from your other video. So I will choose this. You can add another element also, like video playlists, subscribe channels, or something like that. So I will add one subscription link and one video. I'll click save. Then click next. So no copyright issue, no ad suitability. No, it's good. Just click next, visibility. So basically, if you are not sure about the video, you just make it understood and click save. So everything is good to go and publish. So I click public and I'm going to publish the video. So that's it. Now the video URL is published. So this is the video URL. Just copy and close it. So once it is published, now the video is published and live for your channel. So the final thing I'm going to do is click this and I'll open the video. Then I need to do the pinned comment for my video. So this is the pinned comment. Right, so I'm going to use this as the pinned comment. So just put it here and comment. Then after, click this and make it pin. Click pin. So that's it. So now the pinned comment is my video. Well, that's all about uploading the video. So just copy this and I'll come to this project. So we have 2 more details. So one is scripting detail. If you want to link the script inside the VidTechy. So here there is an option to link the video. So once you click, it will link here. Then we have a video analytics section here. So copy that video URL and click save. So once you click save, now you can able to see all the statistics here. So later, if you come to the video SEO on the VidTechy and come to this video analytics section, here you can able to see all the graphs. Like you can change the time frame here. Then finally, these are the things I can do for publishing the video. The final thing is the video organizer. So once you click the video organizer, here we have the option to add planning task, thumbnail, scripting, everything. If you're managing the team, then this is very useful. You can add a follow-up here. So basically, that's all about the life of how to upload the video and make it live. So if you have any questions, please contact our Facebook group or support. Thank you.